Hey everyone, I'm Allison and you're watching Long Island Thrifter. Today I'm in Freeport, New York at This For You Antique Mall. Let's go thrifting. This is the first time I've been to this antique mall, and as soon as I walked in, I knew this was going to be a very interesting trip. There's actually three sections to the building, and this is the second section with a lot of different antique stalls. It was really interesting. There's a lot of things to look at. I look up also on the ceiling. The walls were covered with all different kinds of artwork. Some of the things I did notice did not have tags on them. There were some that did, but a lot that did not. I love these vases. They were so pretty. And this desk was really cute. I checked it out when I got home and looked up some sold comps, and it runs anywhere from $50 to about $100 for something like that. There's a lot of interesting artwork and pieces that were just so unusual. It was a really fun store to go into, and honestly, I could spend hours in here. It was really cool. This picture I did look up online, and I only found one for sale for $45. There were some really beautiful pieces everywhere you looked, and as I said, I could spend hours here, and I definitely will come back. One of the things that I did see in this case was the lion cookie jar. I actually sold one of these about a year and a half ago, and I sold it for $60. This was up for sale for $60. And then when I got home, I did look it up, and I found other similar ones for about $30 to $45. I love these Hello Kitty skateboards. They were super cute. This canister set and spice set was absolutely gorgeous, made in Germany, and it looked like a complete set. It was really beautiful. This Pyrex Old Orchard yellow casserole dish was really nice. It actually comes with a carrier, and they were selling it for $40, which is pretty much about the same that you can get on eBay as well. These are some that are selling, and actually this one was a really good deal at $10.75. What a steal. I loved this display of carnival glass pieces. It's just gorgeous. The plates, the bowls, the cups, the pitchers, all of it. It was just really stunning and made me stop in my tracks. I walked back into the original room I came through, and there were just some more interesting pieces around. I love this mug. That was hilarious. And then I saw these old Tetley tea tins, which were super cute. And out of curiosity, I did look them up to see what they're going for. And they range anywhere from $10 to $20. Along with the interesting items, there were the oddities as well. Some really interesting pieces all throughout, which made me laugh. And this table was so crazy. And then these angry statues. Why would you want those in your house? I walked outside to go to the third part of the building, which the owner, Wally, told me he wants it to become a live auction house starting in January of 2023, which will be really exciting. I know we don't really have a lot of those places around here on the island anymore. But if you're from Long Island and you're watching this and you know of some live auction houses, please drop a line below. I would love to know where they are. Because when I was a kid, there was one in Amityville, and that's been gone for a long time now. I did notice these two pieces of luggage. They're wicker on the outside, and then I opened one of them up and I was like, it's wood lined. So you could carry your clothing and your lumber pretty much. I couldn't even imagine having to lug those around. After stopping in the antique mall in Freeport, I decided to hop over to American Thrift in Baldwin, which is the town right next door. And while I was there, I found these crystal, very nice ring. They're crystal stemless red wine glasses, and they're made by a company called Riedel, which is a German company. And these are just so light and airy. As soon as I picked them up, they were taped together, and they were $1.99. I just knew immediately that these were high quality glasses. And for $1.99 for the pair, I couldn't pass that up. So that's all I bought. While I was at American Thrift, the next thing I saw was this K45 KitchenAid mixing bowl with a handle. And honestly, I was so disappointed after I picked it up. First of all, the price was great. It was $2.99, but there was a hole in it. There were actually 2 holes in it. And I thought, why is this even out to sell? It was just kind of surprising to see this even out. When I looked at it closely, I don't know what they were mixing in this bowl. I mean, are you mixing rocks? Anyway, the best part was on the outside of it, there's tape. Not duct tape or anything else like sturdy. There's Scotch tape on it, as though that was going to fix the problem. Your batter's not going to go everywhere when you're mixing something. It's a shame because these do sell very well. And when you find parts to other good items like a KitchenAid stand mixer, they go for like $200, $300, $400 depending on the model you're getting. And so the bowl, if you see something like a stand mixer bowl that clicks into place, and it's just the bowl, you can make some money off of that. So that is a true BOLO. Yes, I said it. I have to ask you, does anyone sell used underwear? Because while I was at American Thrift, there were some men's briefs. Not cute ones, but like white ones, like tighty whities on the rack. And I just thought, do those sell? So if you could drop a comment below and let me know if you sell men's underwear like that I've shown you. Tell me how much they sell for. I mean, what you can get for them. I know women's lingerie does sell, but you know, you think about that, that's probably on for like maybe 2 minutes at tops, and so it's not really worn. But men's tighty whities, I mean, that's in their junk, right? That's just, just even touching the rack, I was like, really? Who hung these up? So let me know your thoughts on used underwear, because I think I draw the line there. That's my line. Thanks for watching Long Island Thrifter. If you enjoyed this video, please tap the like button, and if so inclined, please subscribe. Until next time, keep on thrifting.